to another episode of Bookie's Auto Detailing. Man, we have a very nice and warm, sunny, summery day in the middle of winter. Yeah, it's quite cold lately. Anyway, enough about that. Today we will be working on this Polo. I think it's a Polo R. Must be the entry level. Yeah, but yeah, a very dirty car. Yeah, well, obviously. As I had suspected, it is a Polo R. I knew I saw that R somewhere. Alright, this Polo is brought in for a single step paint enhancement detail. As you all know by now, the drill, we start with the wheels, as the wheels are the dirtiest part of the vehicle and generally just need the most attention. And obviously I wasn't going to bore you with a long video of Tabs washing the wheels. So then the next step after washing the wheels, we'll just give the car a quick rinse and foam it up. And we'll be using our in-house shampoo, the Mega Suds. This is a good shampoo, very good shampoo, I might add. I'm actually not afraid to stress and say it's actually a good shampoo. Then after that, we use detail brushes just to clean all the rubbers and all the tight spaces, all the nooks and crannies, those hard to reach places, as I said. Then after that, a quick 2-bucket wash method using a wash mitt. You know the drill by now, I'm sure. 2 buckets, one with clean water, like now, and one with our Mega Suds shampoo. So the idea, it's not to cross-contaminate when you're doing the contact wash. I cannot stress this enough. You do not have to use a lot of pressure when doing the contact wash. A simple, light approach. You don't want to further scratch the paint or mar the paint. Soft touch. That's what I usually say. And then after the washing, you rinse the vehicle. And after the rinse, obviously the drying process. This is me all dramatic with my drying towel, which I got from a very good friend. He's also on YouTube, a fellow detailer by Slow Detail Logic. You can check him out. He sells these, quite good. Now with these particular towels, you can dry the whole car without having to wring it even once. These towels are super absorbent. For any aspiring detailer or your normal weekend warrior, I would recommend you get one of these. These are just absolutely magic. The second part of the drying process is me using a car dryer. You use this to dry the car in all those hard to reach places, like behind the door handles, underneath the mirrors. It's very important that you get your car dry because you don't want to get to the polishing stage, and when the dual action polisher is hitting against the panels, now the water starts trickling from undried places. And it also helps with getting the masking tape to stick. I know what you're thinking. He's blowing hot air. time for the polishing stage. I'll be using my DA ShineMate EX620 with a Rupes cut and shine pad, coupled with Coach Chem P6 compound. I found that this particular combination yielded the best results. Now bear in mind, this car was only brought in for a simple enhancement detail, so we weren't chasing perfection. But I'm quite confident in this combination, as it really improved the aesthetics tenfold. I'm using another ShineMate 3-inch with the same pad and compound combination. It's important to try and invest in different size dual action polishes because there's instances where your traditional 5 or 6-inch dual action polishes won't be effective in certain panels. Another example, this is a 1-inch, where obviously your 3-inch and your 5 or 6 would be ineffective. And while I was busy with the paint correction, Tapelo was giving the interior a proper cleaning, from the carpets, the door cards, the seats, the seat belts, the steering wheel, the roof. The whole interior is given a thorough beating. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end result. If you like this type of content, please consider subscribing, sharing, and hitting that like button. You can let us know in the comment section what you think of how the vehicle turned out. The owner was pretty ecstatic. He was over the moon. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for sticking with us up until now. See you on the next one. Danko.